Hey guys, welcome back. So OnePlus 11 is already official in China and I bet you have already seen a lot of unboxing videos for it. For the most part, the specs will remain the same for Chinese variant and global, with few exceptions like charging speed, which for China is 100 watt but for other markets it's said to be 80 watt. Also, another change that could happen is the OS. In China it's called Color OS, but for global market they could release it as Oxygen OS, but essentially they are one and the same with few minor tweaks. Now enough about that, let's talk about the price. Tipster Abhishek Yadav has revealed its price for the Indian market, and as per him there are going to be only two storage options. Apparently it's 8 plus 256 GB storage and 16 plus 256 GB storage. So there's no 512 GB storage option as found in the Chinese model. Other than that, it will mostly be the same, so I won't bore you with the details. The leaker further says that the higher end 16 GB variant of the smartphone would be priced at Rs 62,000, while the base model is still in the dark. But we could convert the Chinese pricing of OnePlus 11 8 plus 256 GB model for rough idea. It's 3,999 yuan, roughly Rs 48,900. There's also gonna be OnePlus 11R, a watered down version of OnePlus 11. It is said to be priced between Rs 35,000 and 40,000. So if you're low on budget, this could be your phone. As for launch, OnePlus 11 5G smartphone will be unveiled at Cloud 11 event being held in Delhi NCR on 7 February at 7:30 PM. At the event, OnePlus will also bring the much awaited OnePlus Buds Pro 2 earbuds and OnePlus TV 65 Q2 Pro. Well, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and catch you in the next one.